guys, I am back with another exciting video. Not exciting, another unboxing exciting video. Exciting unboxing video of one of my favorite book of all times. Okay. So I read this book when I was this book which I am going to unbox. Okay, I ordered this from Amazon and I read this book in pieces when I was child and then I watched movie. ओ माय गॉड ये मूवी मैंने कम से कम 4 5 6 बार देखा होगा. अभी तक मैंने बुक नहीं पढ़ा है. आई नो इट्स लाइक अ शेमफुल थिंग इन दी बुक वर्ल्ड बट मैंने अभी तक इसकी बुक नहीं पढ़ी है पूरी पूरी. एंड देन आई वॉज पुटिंग इट ऑफ क्योंकि मैंने मूवी देख लिया था. तो मुझे ऐसा था कि जब मैंने मूवी देख लिया है तो आई विल read this book sometime later. And every time I was putting this book had been there in my cart since a long time, like at least 1 year, no, not 1 year, maybe 6 7 months almost. I saw this when I was in Kochi, so tab se I have just been putting it off ki acha ab le lungi tab le lungi etc. And then one of my friend, my closest friend, she ordered this book. And then she put up that story. उसने story लगाया, मैंने book देखा, and then I could not stop myself from ordering this book. I am so excited to open this. Wait, I'm opening it. Okay. So, ready for this book? Tan-tan-tan. Da-da-da-da-da-da. This is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen with this golden text in the front and the back of the book. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. See, you see the sides are also golden. Sab golden and golden. Sundar sundar. And you see this first page. This is dreamy. This is a beautiful book. I swear. I mean, I don't know why I had been putting this off for so long. And I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy. And excited to read this. Guys, buy this book. Read this book. Not necessarily in this hardcover, but yeah, do give this book a read because what I've heard, this book is very nice. But I'll come back with a review of this book as well. But मैं कौन होती हूँ Jane Austen को review करने वाली? It's a beautiful book. Please go and read. Enjoy watching the movie as well because it's dreamy. It's dreamy as hell. Anyway, see ya. Bye. I'm gonna read this book. Bye bye.